People are always thinking of ways to earn a passive income while working their day jobs. This has led people to try it out in a lot of different ways. While some of these ways will work out, many others may not really take you anywhere. However, one of the ways proving ideal for earning is through apps. Today, we will show you how to earn up to $300 a day from just a single app. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started. Making money online is not an easy task. With the development of technology, you have to watch out for phishing and other scams. Because of this, you should definitely seek out credible sources of information to make some extra cash online. But here's the thing. The ability to start earning is quite simple. It would be a shame if you missed out on this opportunity. So, I will take you step by step through an easy way you can make some money. And the beauty of this is that there are no required skills or experience to start. It is entirely free, and you can do this from anywhere. I really want to make this video worth your while, so if you watch to the end, I will also show you some bonus steps that you can take to earn even more money than the rest. Okay, to start, all you need is a device that can connect to the internet. Whether it is a laptop, a desktop, or even a phone, it works. First of all, you need to head over to Google and search for OfferVault. After the search, click on the first link, offervault.com. This will take you to the website's homepage. One of the features of this page is that you can get paid for just collecting emails. I did mention you don't need to have any skills or even a large social media following to do this, right? Anyways, now that you are on this site, I will take you through the process step by step to get started as soon as possible. Again, in order to make the most of this, I advise that you watch this video all the way till the end. Each step is crucial in the process. What you need to do is look at some of the most popular searches at the moment. This is the list that will help you choose what to advertise. There are a ton of options, so it's up to you to decide what you feel like going with. And with that, on to the next step. Using the trending search list, you can figure out what to promote. For example, the best thing you can upgrade is posts or promotions that mention gift cards. This will definitely do well because gift cards are the most searched keywords on the website. To get started, all you need to do is type gift card into the search bar on the OfferVault website. Based on your search, you will get a list of all the businesses that provide gift cards. You will also see the companies that will rent out this position to market their product and pay you if someone gives you their email address. Whether the email address is for Gmail, Outlook, or even Yahoo, it doesn't matter. The main reason that these businesses will provide you with money for the leads is that they will be able to promote their goods and run some advertisements for these individuals. Thanks to the contact information that you will supply them, you will get paid for each lead. So if you think about it, it's a win-win situation since both you and the company benefit from it. Before we head over to the next step, why don't you take a minute, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can find other ways to earn some quick cash on our page, so check it out. Now, just to summarize what we are going to be doing on OfferVault, we will be looking for companies on OfferVault that will provide links that we can then use to advertise to platforms with a lot of traffic. And that's really all there is to it. You just need to copy some unique links that we can broadcast to specific platforms to make money. With that said, let's look at the last step. What we're going to do now is head over to Pinterest. For those who are not familiar with Pinterest, it is an online social media platform where people can just share anything and everything concerning their lives. You can also find anything that you can think of here. It is one of the best sites for what we're doing because it happens to be quite a popular search engine for most people. That being said, The next step is for you to sign up for Pinterest so that you can begin posting pins of our gift card link. To join Pinterest, all you need to do is click the Sign Up button, fill in the required information, and click on the red button below to complete your registration. The next thing you need to do is post. There is a button to create a pin, and that is the one you need to click. When it takes you to the Start Post page, you need to type in a title and add an image. This will make your pin clickable. For the picture, you can just look for one on Google. Just head over to Google, click on Images, and search for the keywords. After that, you'll need to filter the Google image search results to avoid copyright violations. To do this, just click on the Tools button and look for usage rights. From here, you should select a Creative Commons license. This will be our way of avoiding any copyright issues on Pinterest. Once you find an image that appeals to your liking, all you are left with is uploading it to the pin you want to share on Pinterest. You will post it along with the unique link. Now, let's wrap up everything that we are going to accomplish. First, you will need to search for OfferVault, where we got our unique link, just like the one I showed you when we searched for gift card links. These are the links that will earn you money. Here's the scoop. If someone clicks on the link, you make some money. Easy. After getting your link, you will need to advertise it on your chosen program. You have a wide range of choices since really any social media platform will work. This means that you can post it on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, or even Twitter. If you are using Pinterest, you can simply search for some royalty images on Google and upload them onto Pinterest with your selected title, unique link, and a short description of the pin. After you have completed all these steps, you will be able to earn some money passively. This means that you do not even have to be there to earn it. As you write your description, you need to make it as promising as possible, providing some facts about the link. This will ensure that your browsing traffic knows that this is not a fraud. With this method, you choose how much you want to earn. When you select your unique link, it will show you the amount that you get paid for it. This method is very legit and also very effective. So, make sure that you try to use it or even improve it to earn some big money online. After all, this guarantees that you will gain some cash in the easiest way possible and without any skills required. And that's it for this one. Listen, what can you do today that will make you the most money tomorrow? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel before you go. As always, thanks for watching.